Science Gus! Hi, Dad.
Well, hi, Gus.
What's baking soda made of, and why is it different than other powders?
That's a good question, Gus. Baking soda is a chemical called sodium bicarbonate, and it is made several different ways, but the most common is using a mineral called trona. Trona is like a rock that is mined and is dug out of the ground and is used to make soda ash, which is the primary ingredient of sodium bicarbonate.
Oh, wow! Is it a rock that makes powder?
Yes, they grind it up and it makes soda ash, and then that's the main ingredient of sodium bicarbonate. It's different from other powders because the chemicals that it has in it, it is a base and it reacts with acids. And when that reaction takes place, the carbon and the oxygen form carbon dioxide, which is the gas in the little bubbles that form the fizz. So when you mix sodium bicarbonate with an acid like vinegar or lemon juice, it forms fizz, which consists of carbon dioxide bubbles.
Oh, wow! Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome, son.
I have another question.
Oh.
How come mentos and soda make fizz?
Oh, that's also an interesting. Carbonated beverages like Coke and soda have carbon dioxide gas that is trapped in the liquid and bonded to the water molecules. And when it's bottled, they are under pressure and unable to separate. The mentos, even though they seem very smooth, actually the way they are made at a microscopic level, they have many, many little pores and ridges. And when they're dropped into the soda, there's a process called nucleation, where the gas in the soda is able to collect around the edges of the ridges and the pores, and they form bubbles of carbon dioxide. And there are so many little ridges and so many little pores and so many little edges that it just goes pop, 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 pop. And suddenly there are so many bubbles that it just fizzes up, shoots out the top of the bottle.
Wow, thank you, Dad. I appreciate it.
Oh, you're welcome, son.
That's it for another episode of Science Gus. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Science Gus!